think you're tough, huh?
There is no escape. Yeah! You stand no chance. Your last mistake was fighting us. There he is. There is no escape. Stand back! We are the Black Hoof Board Black. There is no escape. Shashabooey!
When you are in the fourth panda stumble, you can move slightly from side to side. You can perform Panda Quake using this ability cost chi.
Even when faced with the legendary Sword of Heroes, the warrior didn't flinch, because he was that much of a master. The Master's reflection in the Sword of Heroes looked especially brave today.
It's him!
Not him!
Yes, him! Oh no!
Oh, yes!
Shut up! Let's go!
I am Tai Lung, and you are no master!
Weapons now with.
Hey, what?
Son, quit daydreaming. I got 4 orders for my famous secret ingredient soup and only 2 hands. Come on.
Okay, Dad.
Secret ingredients.
And I was just getting to the good part.
Beth ydy neb yn gwybod. A dwi di ennill. So, 27, Beth? Aww.
Okay, so even though the warrior dreamed of being a Kung Fu master, he knew he had a little work to do. I mean, he had some moves, but he wasn't exactly, you know, a Kung Fu legend yet. Unfortunately, his dad wanted him to be more like the master of noodles. Still, the warrior totally knew that one day he'd be legendary, like the greatest of Kung Fu heroes, the Furious Five. Who, it turned out, were about to compete in the ultimate tournament of Kung Fu explosiveness to see which of them would be named the Dragon Warrior. Oh yeah. The warrior knew he had to see the 5 in action.
Okay, you can skip your hen. Tournament of the Dragon Warrior.
Oh, yeah. Ha ha! Woo! Oh no! No, wait, stop! Don't close the... doors.
For 1,000 years, we have waited for the Dragon Warrior, the legend. But now, the wait is over. It is my great honor to present to you the Furious Five.
Ah, come on, let me see.
You can climb up onto the ledges by jumping to grab the ledge. By pressing jump again, you can pull up onto the
Jump on the trampoline to reach new heights. Balloons are fun to pop.
You can move the camera around.
Oh, they need your help.
Alright, done of it. Hello. How far power?
Nobody's gonna hear.